Let's talk data. Data is something we learn a lot about or get a lot of questions about. Decentralization of our data, blockchain, all these different types of things. And this is an important question because we know data is so important. We know there's a lot of different companies making a lot of money off of our data these days. And I think as farmers, as producers of food, more than most, we are concerned about where our data is going and how that's being used against us. We see more often than not the middle part of the supply chain potentially taking our data, twisting it, and using it to get gain on their side or to gain margins on their side. For example, if the middle of the supply chain wants to run a certain regulation so that they can adjust some sort of label on their branding, then they can manipulate some of the data that they've taken from our farms, taken from how we produce food, and they can turn it into whatever they want to then push a narrative that we have to make adjustments or adaptations on the producer level to then solve or get them a label and the fancy buzzwords that they want. So little strategies like that are what farmers are used to dealing with, whether it's from the USDA or the types of government that are going to use that data to make the farmer do something that they want to do that doesn't really necessarily improve the farmer, improve the whole food, but somehow it improves some sort of strategy that marketing or regulation is trying to accomplish. So data from a producer level is really important for us to own and for us to have control of. And yeah, that's my 2 bits.